So I got an email today that says I only have 1 day left to use my $5 rewards, I think is what it is, from Michael's. So this is just like the best day to go to Michael's, right?
Last minute.
Last minute. And I've got my co-pilot here who doesn't like to be on camera.
Hi.
So, I don't know if you can tell, but we are not here for yarn today. We are looking at some charms to make some stitch markers. I love to make stitch markers. They're so fun, and there's so many different kinds of charms. There's like for every different kind of personality, every different kind of hobby or interest. There's so many different colors. You can do metallics, or you can do, just like solid colors. I love that little bee. She's so cute. Oh my gosh, look at the puppy paw print. It just makes me miss my puppy. I love these number ones because you can use those for your stitch marker to remember what size hook you're using. That's always kind of cool. Oh, look at the little camper. That is adorable. I love the little camper. Oh, there's so many sparkly ones too. Oh, it looks like the Christmas stuff is up. Look at the little biker dude, Nutcracker. Oh, look at the little guy with the guitar and the little bag-legged pirate bagpipers. Oh, very fitting for today, being that it's Veterans Day. Look at that. Very cute little nutcrackers. My son collects nutcrackers, so we always stop to look. Okay, we can't not go in the yarn aisle, even if we're not buying yarn, right? Oh, I love these impressions, I think they're called. I just think they're so pretty. I love the colors that they put together. And of course, charisma. Gotta love charisma, especially when it's hat making season. I think that nothing makes a better winter hat than charisma, personally. It looks like things are pretty well stocked, which is good because everybody's getting ready to make Christmas presents, right? I've been here a couple times where a lot of these racks were pretty empty, so this looks good. And we've got our blanket yarns, our homespun. All yarns are buy one, get one 50% off. That's a pretty good deal. It looks like fall and Halloween stuff is on clearance. Make way for Christmas. Speaking of, these are just a little clue as to the topic of our next week's club meeting. And last but not least, our Michael's has new self-checkout. They're really pretty cool. I actually kind of had fun doing that. And now it looks like I need to get gas, but you get to enjoy another video. Thanks for watching.